Arnott is pleased to offer multiple air suspension repair and replacement options for the 2006 to 2011 Audi A6 C6 chassis. For vehicles that need a replacement air strut, Arnott offers new Arnott-designed struts. Arnott's completely new replacement struts offer the benefits of a comfortable ride and load leveling, but have brand new, custom-valved shocks with 0 miles on them. In this video, we show how to install the Arnott designed and assembled new air strut for the front of the Audi A6. But this video also applies to Arnott's remanufactured front struts. Air strut removal. Removal step 1. Prepping for removal. Set the steering to straight ahead. Begin by disconnecting the battery. Use a platform that is capable of raising the body separately from the wheels. Lift the body at the lifting points prescribed by the vehicle manufacturer. Removal step 2. Wheel removal. Start by removing the wheel's lug nuts. Once the lug nuts are removed, carefully take off the wheel. Removal step 3. Removing the air strut. Locate and remove the seal and plastic cover in the engine compartment. Remove the 3 top mounting bolts. Locate and remove the air line from the strut. Remove the air line fitting from the air hose and discard. Locate and disconnect the electrical plug from the bottom of the shock. Loosen and remove the pinch bolt holding the upper control arms to the spindle assembly. Loosen and remove the lower mounting nut and bolt. Remove the air strut from the vehicle. Removal complete. Air strut installation. Install step 1. Prepping for installation. Please note, do not reuse OE mounting hardware. Remove the 4 top mounting nuts to separate the OE air strut from the top mount assembly. Install OE top mount assembly to the Arnott air strut, making sure the arms face the air-fitting side of the strut. Tighten the included bolts in an alternating pattern to manufacturer specifications. Install step 2. Air strut installation. Reinstall the air strut onto the vehicle. Reinstall the lower mounting nut and bolt. Reinstall the pinch bolt holding the upper control arms to the spindle assembly. Reconnect the electrical plug to the bottom of the shock. Reinstall the air line. Tighten the 3 top mounting bolts. Reinstall the seal and plastic cover in the engine compartment. Install Step 3. Wheel installation. Install the wheel and tighten all lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. Install Step 4. Finishing the installation. Lower the vehicle to standard vehicle height from the lifting platform. Reconnect the battery. Install Step 5. Testing. Start the engine. Wait 2 minutes. Operate the raising function of the car's electronics. Initially lower the lifting platform slowly and only completely when the vehicle rises of its own accord. Check the air strut for leaks. It is strongly recommended that after this installation, the vehicle gets an alignment for better performance and safety.